Join me and my dad while we explore subscription boxes, the outdoors, gear and equipment, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! Thank you for watching.
Well, thank you for that introduction, Miraculous Girl. Thank you for joining us here today on Exploring It All. So today we're going to take a look at the Victorinox limited edition Alox release for the 2021 year. As you can see, this year's color is orange. So for the last 7 years, Victorinox has been releasing these Alox limited edition Alox knives in a different color every year, and they're changing the models up a little bit now as well. So this year's knife, and this is the 93 millimeter line. They also do these in the classic size, which I believe is 58 millimeter, and then in the Hunter, I think they call it, the Hunter Pro 130 millimeter edition. So inside here is some literature regarding the release and how they make the scales and whatnot. It doesn't go into great detail, just talks about that they punch them out of aluminum and things of that sort. So you also have in here your standard care type instructions that come with all Swiss Army knives. So this is our limited edition version this year. This is the Pioneer X in the Alox edition. A few things that are unique about the Alox knives is, to my knowledge, there are no back spring tools, and there are no scale tools. You don't get the toothpicks and tweezers. So this is the tiger orange is what they're classifying this color as. On the back of each year or each knife, they're printing the year for that release, and this one says 2021. I don't know the reflection on there. So as I said, this is the Pioneer X, and I like to, well, we'll get in that in a moment here. But we'll go over the tools here. You have your standard cap lifter, slotted screwdriver, standard screwdriver, and your wire bender / wire stripper. It does have the 90-degree lock. Then on the other side, you have your can opener and your micro-tipped slotted screwdriver as well. Then you have your Alox style reamer awl. It does not have the sewing eye. And you have your main blade, and this one has the Victorinox Swiss made stainless tang stamp. I don't know that any of this will pick up. And then this side of the tang stamp does not have anything on it. You have your key ring, which is a liner style key ring attachment and not the solid scale ones that you get on the current 91 millimeter knives. And then what I think, and the reason I think they classify this as the X, is the screwdriver or the scissors, because they make an X shape. That's my theory on it. I don't know if that's official or anything. But anyway, these are your standard Victorinox scissors. These scissors work great. Out of all of the Alox knives, I tend to like this Pioneer X and the Farmer X. I would say there's a lot of individual Alox knives and they all have something unique about them. This one is the second. The Farmer X being the largest, and this would be the next largest one. It's a 3-scale tool. But I really like the color on this. I'm really glad that they went with a more the 3-tool knife. Thank you for joining us here on Exploring It All, and hope we'll see you again. Give us a like, subscribe, thumbs up, and remember, be nice to each other.